everyone, I'm Nico here. Now in this video, I'm going to show you 3 different websites to remove the background of any image that you have. So, the first one is cutout.pro, and I'll be leaving all the links in description. So please check in description to get the links. Then you need to click on this upload image and select the image. Then it'll be taking some time to remove the background of that one. I'll be downloading that one. If it not gets downloaded automatically, you just click on the download button, which is going to be provided over there, and that is going to be the same for this photoroom.com also. So these two websites will provide maximum output. Like cutout.pro is going to take some money, but photoroom.com is not going to charge anything from you, so this is the better option. And tinyurl also doesn't take any money from you, but this website's output is not that good, so I'm going to prefer these two websites. Mostly photoroom.com is the best one, so go for that. So that's for now guys, I'll talk to you in the next video. Subscribe if you like to watch more videos like this. If you like this video, click the like button, and thanks for watching guys. Have a nice day.